Hi, I'm going to be talking about the Lucas numbers. The Lucas numbers, or the Lucas series, is an integer sequence closely relating to the Fibonacci sequence. It was created by
François-Édouard Anatole Lucas.
Okay, it's a complicated name, so we're going to go with Lucas. But Lucas was a French mathematician, and he studied the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci, aka Leonardo, did a lot of things in his life. He helped with the European number system and all that. But the Fibonacci sequence was like a footnote in his life. It wasn't like the main thing he did. But when Leonardo came along, he was like, oh wait, sorry, not Leonardo, Lucas. When Lucas came along, he was like, hey, this is really interesting. So then he started studying the Fibonacci sequence and made a better sequence of his own called the Lucas numbers. Let me show you. I'm going to be comparing the Lucas sequence to the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 1, 1, so it can equal 2. So 1 plus 2 would equal 3, 2 plus 3 would equal 5, 3 plus 5 would equal 8, 5 plus 8 would equal 13, 8 plus 13, and so on. In the Lucas sequence, however, we start with 2 instead of 1, 1. Okay, so 2 plus 3 would equal, 2 plus 1 would equal 3, 1 plus 3 would equal 4, 3 plus 4 would equequal 7, 4 plus 7 would equal 11, 7 plus 11 would equal 18, and so on. Lucas numbers are better than the Fibonacci sequence because it connects to the golden ratio, phi, a bit more closely, I guess. But phi is 1.6180, and if you round that, you get 2, which is our first number. Okay. And we're going to forget about 1 because there's no numbers that add up to 1. And we're going to move on to 3. 3 is going to be our second number. Phi squared is 2.6180, which rounded equals 3. And 3 is our second number. Phi cubed is 4.2365. And 4 is our third number, and when we cube phi, we get 4, rounded. And, okay, let's do it one more time. Phi to the power of 4 is 6.6180. And when you round that, you get 7. Okay, let's do it to a random number. Let's do it to 18. 18 is our sixth number, and we're going to power phi to the power of 6. So a phi to the power of 6 is 17.9420, which rounded equals 18. The reason I chose the Lucas numbers is because I thought it was interesting how it relates to the golden ratio and how it's really close to the Fibonacci sequence. I wanted to do the Fibonacci sequence, but lots of other people were doing it, and I wanted to do something different. So I searched for a bit and I found the Lucas numbers. I didn't know it at first, but then I had learned it somewhere before, so then I remembered it and I wanted to show what it was because lots of people don't know what it is. Yeah, thank you.